All right, well, the first thing I'm going to do is actually take all 4 floor mats out. I'm going to spray them, and then I'm going to hose them off and let them dry in the sun. And then we can start tackling the inside. I've got the inspection crew here. These floor mats actually aren't that bad. I'm going to go ahead and hose them off. This is the driver's one. It's probably the worst. Hose them off, put them over there in the sun. Front two were kind of dirty. I'm gonna put some soap on them and let that soak. All right, moving on. For the seats, I think I'm gonna vacuum them first, get all the crumbs out, and we'll just kind of give the car, preliminary vacuum, then we'll start cleaning. So it's really not too bad, considering, the seats are gonna need definitely some cleaning, reconditioning, but they will look amazing once everything is done. Yep, I'll get in all the seat tracks, door pockets, everything. All right, I got all the crumbs vacuumed off the seats. I decided I'm gonna wait till the very end to vacuum the rest of the car. But for right now, I'm just gonna use a mixture of simple green and water. I've got some clear water there, got my detail brush and a rag. Now notice that is clean water, is actually just a couple suds floating on top. I do expect these seats to be pretty filthy. Okay, with this all agitated with the brush, I do expect this rag to be pretty filthy when it's done. Okay, not too bad actually. Still need to get down all the crevices and everything. I'll finish this seat, including the seat back, and then we'll start on the other side. Okay, passenger side front and rear are both done. I moved on to the driver's side. I'm gonna go ahead and do this, the seat back, and then the rest of the back seat. And then we'll start on the dash and the trim. So far it's coming out very nicely. All right, with all the seats and the door panels clean, there's no dressing on anything, I'm gonna move on to the dash and the center console. That's gonna take me a while, but we'll press on. Don't have a lot of daylight left today. Moving on to my favorite part of interior detailing, because I'm a strange individual. I love to clean the steering wheel. I wipe this off, but I'm gonna use simple green in this toothbrush and really get into all the cracks and crevices and make this thing look brand new. Same with all the switch gear, the buttons, everything. All right, and to finish up today, I'm gonna give everything a coat of this 303 protectant. Do the seats, the dash. There's some parts of the seats I'm gonna have to probably work on again, but for right now, I'm just gonna get a coating all over everything. Got the dash nice and clean, all the knobs, everything. All the dust, all the grime is all off of it. So I'm losing daylight. I only have about maybe 20, 30 more minutes, and then I'll be done for today. We'll have to pick it up again tomorrow. Time for a progress update. The seats are clean. I vacuumed it, cleaned the floor mats. They're back in. The dash is all clean, steering wheel, all the controls, everything, door panels. Got the back seat done. I haven't done the windows. I'll do those at a later time. And I haven't polished the door jambs. And I will go ahead and give this a final vacuum and a final cleaning and dressing of the leather before I put this on the truck, because it's probably going to get dirty, because I'm going to have this car for the next couple weeks. Oh, the trunk is also done. Nice big trunk, not really much to it. So, one thing I'm also going to do, both sides, I'm going to end up repainting these handles, just like I did with my 2007 Ranger over there. The paint, the coating just comes off, so it's kind of like BMWs. It's got like a, I don't know, like almost a soft touch coating that wears off, but simple, very easy to do. I'll do that before the car hits the road. Let's see, I guess that's gonna do it for this video and for the interior cleaning. So stay tuned for the next one, where we're gonna move on to the rather daunting task of the exterior. The whole car needs a decontamination, a clay bar, and then I'm gonna buff and wax the car, touch up all of the little scrapes and scratches, including that body work right there. I've got some base coat and 2K clear on order. That'll probably be here in a week. So until then, I'm gonna just focus on kind of buffing out. Oh, I also need to buff out the headlights. Then there are some mechanical things I need to address, like oil changes and fluids, and the stability control light is on. I think the PCV valve is probably bad on this car. That's a cheap and easy fix, so we'll address that when we get to it. That'll do it for this week. So until next time, we'll catch you on the flip side.